Welcome to Canadian Driver Knowledge Test, your ultimate guide to mastering Ontario's commercial driving knowledge tests. Get prepared, get confident, and hit the road safely. Subscribe now and start your journey to success. Question 1. What must individuals in Ontario complete before taking their Class A road test? A. A blood test. B. A job search. C. An aptitude test. D. Mandatory entry-level training. The answer is D. Mandatory entry-level training. Question 2. What is the maximum allowable length for a combination of vehicles, except for double trailer combinations that meet specific requirements for both trailers and the tractor? A. 19 meters. B. 23 meters. C. 21 meters. D. 18 meters. The answer is B. 23 meters. Question 3. What is the minimum age requirement for obtaining a Class A or D license? A. 18. B. 25. C. 19.
D. 21.
The answer is A. 18. Question 4. What does restricted Class A configuration refer to? A. Any combination of truck/tractor and trailer with A. MGVWR of at least 4,600 kilograms with the truck/tractor with air brakes, but not the trailer. B. Any combination of truck/tractor and trailer with A. MGVWR of at least 4,600 kilograms and trailer is equipped with air brakes. C. Any combination of truck/tractor and trailer with A. MGVWR of at least 4,600 kilograms and trailer is not equipped with air brakes. D. None of the above. The answer is C. Any combination of truck/tractor and trailer with A. MGVWR of at least 4,600 kilograms and trailer is not equipped with air brakes. Question 5. All vehicles, including their loads, are limited to a maximum height of how many meters? A. 3.75 meters. B. 4.35 meters. C. 4.15 meters. D. 3.95 meters. The answer is C. 4.15 meters. Question 6. A Class D driver's license allows you to drive a motor vehicle that exceeds how many kilograms in gross weight or registered gross weight? A. 10,000 kilograms.
B 46,000 Kilogramm.
C. 13,200 kilograms. D. 11,000 kilograms. The answer is D. 11,000 kilograms. Question 7. Commercial motor vehicles are restricted to a maximum width of how many meters? A. 3.2 meters. B. 2.4 meters. C. 2.6 meters. D. 2.1 meters. The answer is C. 2.6 meters. Question 8. For how long do items stay on an operator's CVOR record from the date of the offense? A. 5 years. B. 4 years. C. 3 years. D. 2 years. The answer is A. 5 years. Question 9. What is the Commercial Vehicle Operator Registration, CVOR? A. The registration system that tracks the safety performance of solely Class A truck operations in Ontario. B. The registration system that tracks the safety performance of truck and bus operations in Ontario. C. The registration system that tracks the safety performance of solely Class D truck operations in Ontario. D. None of the above. The answer is B. The registration system that tracks the safety performance of truck and bus operations in Ontario. Question 10. Semi-trailers are limited to a maximum length of how many meters? A. 12.8 meters, 42 feet. B. 13.7 meters, 45 feet. C. 14.65 meters, 48 feet. D. 12.19 meters, 40 feet. The answer is C. 14.65 meters, 48 feet. Question 11. What type of license is issued to a driver who operates a vehicle that does not meet the requirements for a full Class A vehicle, and what limitations does this impose? A. An A license. B. An AR license. C. An A+ license. D. An RA license. The answer is B. An AR license. Question 12. When is your medical practitioner or optometrist legally required to report to the licensing authorities? A. Anytime you are feeling ill. B. After making an appointment with them. C. Any physical, neurological, cardiovascular, or other medical condition that might affect your safe operation of a motor vehicle. D. None of the above. The answer is C. Any physical, neurological, cardiovascular, or other medical condition that might affect your safe operation of a motor vehicle. Question 13. Who is responsible for applying for a CVOR certificate? A. The carrier. B. The MTO. C. The driver. D. The lead mechanic. The answer is A. The carrier. Question 14. What does gross weight mean by definition? A. The weight of the load alone. B. The weight of the vehicle before it's loaded. C. The weight of the vehicle without a trailer attached. D. The combined weight of vehicle and load. The answer is D. The combined weight of vehicle and load. Question 15. If a driver completes a Class A road test using a vehicle that does not meet the full Class A requirements, which license will they be issued? A. A Class D license. B. A Class G license. C. An AR, A restricted, license. D. A Class A learner's license. The answer is C. An AR, A restricted, license. Question 16. Who must provide training for drivers transporting dangerous goods? A. Their current employer. B. MTO inspector. C. Dangerous goods supplier. D. Vehicle owner. The answer is A. Their current employer. Question 17. What is used to indicate that an air brake endorsement is required on a driver's license for operating any air brake-equipped motor vehicle? AQ, BP,
C. Z.
DS. The answer is CZ. Question 18. Which of these is not necessary to qualify for a Class A or D license? A. Must hold a full license for a minimum of 5 years. B. Hold a valid Ontario Class G or higher license or equivalent. C. Provide a satisfactory medical certificate on application and periodically thereafter. D. Meet vision standards. The answer is A. Must hold a full license for a minimum of 5 years. Question 19. Who among the following is not responsible for the weight of the commercial vehicle and may be charged with an offense? A. Drivers. B. Operators. C. Shippers. D. Lead mechanics. The answer is D. Lead mechanics. Question 20. A CVOR certificate is required to operate trucks with a registered or actual weight over how many kilograms? A. 4,600 kilograms.
B 4,500 Kilogramm.
C. 10,000 kilograms. D. 11,000 kg. The answer is B. 4,500 kilograms. Question 21. What happens to the certificate after completing dangerous goods training? A. It's sent to the MTO. B. It's displayed in the office. C. The driver must carry it. D. None of the above. The answer is C. The driver must carry it. Question 22. A Class A driver's license allows you to drive a motor vehicle and towed vehicles where the combined gross weight of the towed vehicles exceeds how many kilograms? A. 10,000 kilograms.
B 13,200 Kilogramm.
C. 11,000 kilograms. D. 4,600 kilograms. The answer is D. 4,600 kilograms. Question 23. Which of the following is not a factor in determining the gross allowable weight of a commercial vehicle? A. The size of axles. B. The size of the tires. C. The type of suspension. D. The distance between the axles. The answer is A. The size of axles. Question 24. What is referred to as registered gross weight? A. The weight of the trailer alone. B. The weight of the vehicle when it was first reported to the MTO. C. The weight of the vehicle when it came from the manufacturer. D. The weight for which a permit has been issued under the HTA based upon the weight of the vehicle or combination of vehicles and load. The answer is D. The weight for which a permit has been issued under the HTA based upon the weight of the vehicle or combination of vehicles and load. Question 25. If you refuse to stop at a weigh station when instructed, what are the potential consequences? A. 15 days. B. 7 days. C. 45 days. D. 30 days. The answer is D. 30 days. Question 26. What is the maximum distance you can drive from the point where cargo was loaded before needing to inspect its securement? A. 100 kilometers. B. 80 kilometers. C. 60 kilometers. D. 120 kilometers. The answer is B. 80 kilometers. Question 27. How often should wheel fasteners be retorqued to ensure they remain secure? A. Between 40 kilometers and 60 kilometers after installation. B. Between 80 kilometers and 160 kilometers after installation. C. Between 200 kilometers and 280 kilometers after installation. D. They don't. The answer is B. Between 80 kilometers and 160 kilometers after installation. Question 28. When serious violations are identified, what is typically the next step? A. It is reported to the vehicle owner and repaired at end of the trip. B. The vehicle is driven to the mechanic and they deal with it. C. The vehicle is taken out of service. D. The driver can only drive within city limits. The answer is C. The vehicle is taken out of service. Question 29. What distance from their base might drivers be exempt from daily log requirements while still needing to comply with all hours of service regulations?
A 90 chilometri.
B. 120 kilometers. C. 140 kilometers. D. 160 kilometers. The answer is D. 160 kilometers. Question 30. Which of the following is not a procedure involved in the process of uncoupling a trailer for Class A vehicles? A. Position truck/tractor and trailer units. Check trailer alignment and height. B. Engage fifth wheel and test or engage truck coupling device and trailer connection point. C. Inspect fifth wheel, coupling device, air/electrical lines, chain hook points and connections. D. Unlock fifth wheel. The answer is D. Unlock fifth wheel.